Welcome. Today, we're diving into AWS IAM Policies, the gatekeepers of your AWS world. Think of these as your digital security team, defining who gets access to what. They ensure resources stay secure while users play by the rules. Whether you're attaching policies to users, groups, or roles, careful management is key to avoiding security headache. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. AWS IAM is your security Swiss Army knife. It lets you control who gets access to your AWS resources. Think of it as your digital bouncer. IAM helps authenticate users, define roles, and apply permissions, ensuring only the right people get inside the AWS club. Because honestly, who wants random guests messing with their cloud setup? IAM policies are your security rulebook. They dictate who can do what within AWS. They're written in JSON, so yes, coding meets security here. Well-crafted policies ensure safe access and prevent unwanted actions. Think of them as an agreement. AWS follows the rules you set, making your security posture rock solid. IAM policies control who gets what level of access in AWS. Every time a user makes a request, AWS checks the rules you've defined. It's like a security checkpoint. Only those with the right clearance get through. With statements that define actions and resources, IAM policies ensure that only authorized users can access critical AWS components. Alright folks, let's talk security. First, always follow the principle of least privilege, because giving excessive access is like handing out the keys to your kingdom. Next, embrace role-based access control. Think of it as VIP access. Only those who need it get it. Keep those policies updated like your phone software. No one likes outdated security. And lastly, monitor everything, because surprises are great for birthdays, not security breaches. If policies were cars, versioning would be the maintenance schedule. Always use the latest IAM policy version for maximum security. Writing JSON syntax correctly is crucial. One missing bracket and boom, your policy is useless. Validate those policies like your coffee order. Double check before hitting apply. And avoid common syntax errors, because debugging a misplaced comma shouldn't ruin your day. Imagine a world where everyone has access to everything. Chaos, right? That's why defining roles is key. Assign permissions wisely, like deciding who gets control of the TV remote. Restrict unnecessary access, because not everyone needs access to sensitive data. And always audit user roles. After all, keeping things in check prevents security nightmares. Troubleshooting IAM policies is like being a detective. The AWS Policy Simulator is your magnifying glass. Use it to uncover the truth. Always check policy evaluation logic, because sometimes the issue is hiding in plain sight. CloudTrail logs. They're like breadcrumbs leading you to the culprit. And before deploying, test your policies, because it should work is the famous last words of any failed deployment. IAM policies and resource policies, two sides of the same security coin. IAM policies dictate who can do what across AWS, while resource policies are like bouncers guarding individual resources. IAM policies have global authority like a security chief, while resource policies work on a per-resource basis like a personal bodyguard. Understanding the difference helps keep your access controls rock solid. Compliance isn't just a checkbox. It's your shield against security mishaps. Always ensure your IAM policies align with regulations, or risk playing defense against security audits. Follow security best practices like they are the golden rules of cloud security. Implement the least privilege principle, because excessive access leads to excessive problems. And maintain audit trails, because if something goes wrong, you'll want breadcrumbs leading back. Let's wrap things up. IAM policies are your AWS security gatekeepers. Best practices like least privilege keep things tight. Troubleshooting is your toolkit for fixing access issues when things go south. And compliance, well, staying within regulatory bounds isn't just nice, it's necessary. Follow these best practices, and you'll be the IAM expert your cloud needs. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.